Everything okay?
Everything okay? One time, I kicked and you should breathe more. You can be a millionaire, but yeah, it's cool.
제 근처 카페에 갔는데 그 치앙마이에 되게 흔치 않은 배우 같은 여자분이 계셔가지고 다 찾아보자 그냥 혹시 모델이시냐 여쭤봤어요. 그렇게 이제 좀 대화가 시작돼가지고 여기 또 근처 사시더라고요. 그래가지고 저 유튜버인데 한번 놀자 맛있는 거 사드리겠다. 근데 표정이 너무 차가운 거예요. 약간 나한테 화난 것처럼. 아 그래서 못 만나겠구나 싶었는데 근데 또 메시지는 답장을 주시는 거예요. 그래서 일단은 만나 뵙기로 했는데 자, 이 만남의 장소입니다 오늘. 놀자고 하긴 했는데 영상이 잘 나올지를 모르겠네요. 너무 얼음공주셔가지고. 생각보다 너무 예쁜데요, 여러분. 아, 선생님이 공원에서 요가하자 그랬는데 여기인가 보다. 이 대사가 너무 귀여운데요. 네, 모든 러시아 여자들이 그렇지만 좀 늦을 것 같아요. 네, 그래서 제가 Gentlemen can wait 라고 보냈습니다. Brought this for me?
Yeah. Before I will tell you.
You went to Korea?
No, I wanted to
Oh,
go there
okay.
and study there.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, how come you didn't?
It's a long story.
Okay. I like stories. Okay, thank you. Upstairs, I got the special table from. I wasn't sure if you're gonna come out today.
You was not sure?
I didn't know that you would come today
Why?
because you look so angry. You look so cold. Oh wow.
I'm from Russia.
The last time I think I'm very happy.
It's our Russian soul. We don't have this smile to everyone. We have smile just to people who we know.
Okay.
But always we have this place.
Yeah, that face. Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
It's just our culture. And for us it's really strange when
I'm really surprised that you're a very happy person, Lena. It's so different.
this is so fun. It's just our Russian culture.
Really? So first time, you can't smile, but second time it's okay.
We can smile in first time. Just I choose don't smile.
Okay.
It's not like I can't control it. It's just me.
And second time it's okay.
When we speak and I know you, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Like I'm like.
Can you smile?
I'm smiling right now.
I'm at my happiest.
What?
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you for your invite.
My pleasure. No,
Yes.
Chiang Mai.
Why are you in Chiang Mai?
Why am I in Chiang Mai?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, work, travel, looking for my future wife in Chiang Mai. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I know you do something about yoga.
Yoga class, how to say it. I'm just doing it with my company. I'm like blogger for them.
Are you like freelancer or?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Like I think you will like it. Beautiful place.
Okay.
You can do it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No.
It will be hard for you, I think.
Let's see.
We will see.
So why did you choose Chiang Mai then?
Yes, and Chiang Mai is the cultural capital of Taiwan.
Okay. Is
And
it?
just my team, they are here. Like I wanted to live in Korea, and I don't know why.
I want to hear.
I just studied Korean. Yeah.
Oh.
But I was 16, I
한국어를
think.
공부했어요?
Huh?
한국어를 공부했어요?
What? Liked your language, like story of your language.
Okay.
Like
안녕하세요.
yes.
이름이 어떻게 되세요?
I can understand.
What did you learn then?
What
What did you learn?
language?
So what do you know?
Nothing. I said you. I was 16. I don't.
Russians are the best. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Wow, it's so cool, the camera. It's very cool.
Are you high?
Yeah, I'm so high.
It's so
I've been
cool.
partying all night before and now
Okay.
just going
Okay, have a good day.
around. Yeah, you
Okay.
guys look so cool.
Thank you very
Thank you.
She's a yoga professional, that's why.
Professional.
1 month?
Yes, but I'm really good in that. You will
Okay. Well, that's what you said, no?
No, I said that I'm not a teacher.
I took yoga lesson for 2 months in Korea. Shouldn't I be teaching you today? 이게 뭐야? 요가 가르쳐 준다고.
Okay, you will.
아,
Okay,
개웃기네.
I will be your student. It's a month or 2 months, but
Uh-huh.
it's every day and
Yeah.
like a lot of hours. So
I believe in you.
thank you.
네, 선생님이 뭐 물만 사고 바로 공원 가가지고 무려 한 달이나 요가씩 선생님께 요가를 배워보기로 했습니다. 이게 나무가 무슨 Is that an app?
Yes, it's in Telegram bot. What type do we want to have now?
Strongest.
Okay, you
Yeah.
said already.
I'm a Korean man, I can do that.
It's a guy who like made this technology of yoga.
Задняя нога параллельно полу.
I will explain to you how to breathe and what we will make. You should
Okay.
be without socks.
Okay.
You should just sit like that. Good job.
Hey.
Okay, and you should breathe like. And you make. This is so.
So it's a Korean habit.
When you do it every day, your eye, how you see, okay, it will be better.
Really?
Yes, because it's gymnastic for your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, to relax.
Wow, okay.
Yes, it's for full body, you know. So
우와, 신기하다.
you should have a balance and breathe. Like
Seen this before.
I can't understand. No, I can't understand his legs. How?
What happened?
Okay, everything okay. When you stop your and the video deleted, and I didn't knew that I can't have new video, so now we don't have video at all.
진짜 너무 믿음이 안 가는데, 선생님. 한 달 배우고 앱 사용법도 지금 모르고.
Okay, everything okay. We will make it.
Everything okay.
Everything okay.
선생님 가르쳐 주진 않고 영상만 보여주시는 거죠?
Why are you laughing?
I was expecting to get a lesson from you, but all we do is just watch the video.
To make it. Okay, I can give you a lesson.
Okay.
But I should check. It's like I said to you that what exercise you make after.
Okay. Okay, teacher, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll shut up and listen.
Thank you. And start.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Ballet.
And you should breathe correctly. I will say you.
간지러워가지고.
3. Try to make it. Hey!
쉴 시간인가?
Let's go. I will show on you.
너무 힘들다.
Wow, that's amazing. Do people die from yoga?
싫어야 돼요.
You should just take my legs, but be careful. One time, I kicked girl on the face.
So you should be careful. Not me.
You should be careful.
Okay.
Okay, I get it. Whoa. Okay. Yeah?
And just I should breathe 8 times.
자, 어쨌든 이번 수업 끝났고요.
그 저기 앞에 웰니스 센터라고 있어요. 뭐 밥도 먹고 수영도 하고 뭐 막 요가도 할 수 있는 뭐 이런 데인데 아마 거기를 지금 갈 것 같고. Hello.
Me like action.
action.
To know.
What was the worst thing you got from the random guy?
Pictures.
Okay, what did they send you? I mean, just that?
Yes.
Nothing else?
No.
Like no words? Just that?
Just look. Just check if it good. South from 16 and some guys, Russian guys, just text me, take me to Thailand, please. Take me to Thailand. Just random guy after my.
Is that him?
No, he just said that I'm beautiful.
I'm so jealous of girls. How come no girls send guys, hey, you're so beautiful? So jealous.
You will be like, with crown.
Crown.
Yes.
What is crown? Crown.
A crown.
What?
Sorry. Crown.
you told me to correct you. Wait, what did you say about crown?
If girls will give you some compliments,
Uh-huh.
you guys will have crown. Crown. Sorry.
Yes, correct. Good job, student.
Thank you. I said to you that I have bad English.
Your English is good, Lena. Sometimes. Let's go. This is Coco Club. I love this place. I love this place. Beautiful. Huh?
Wow.
제가 그때 그 친구들하고 한번 왔었는데 낮에 이렇게 해 나고 되게 예뻤는데 밤에 더 예쁘네.
Where I should go?
어?
Where I should go?
Me first? Okay. 분위기 너무 좋은데요, 여러분? 수영은 못할 것 같습니다. 벌써 해가 져가지고 치앙마이도 밤에는 춥거든요, 여러분. Space? Coworking space?
Okay, yes. I
Yeah,
see.
yeah, we have coworking
Cool,
space
cool.
right there.
With good view, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's go here.
All right. You will pay.
Yeah.
If you want to see me die, you can pay.
What does it mean? See me die?
If you want to see me die,
Die.
you can pay. Okay? What are you getting?
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
Say again.
Huh?
Say again.
Carbonara. What?
Cute.
I said it so correctly.
Carbonara. Like this.
That's not what I said.
Say again.
No, I'm not gonna say that. You're making fun of me.
It's that you making every day. Every day.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
분위기가 더 예쁘네.
Maybe here. Okay. Like this maybe, and I don't have look for it. Like how I look.
You look fantastic.
Thank you.
What else do you
But
need?
not maybe it's this things, you
It's a
know.
beautiful photo, no?
Yes, take it normal.
Oh, okay. Oh. So Russian.
Do you need pictures to Instagram?
No, it's okay.
Oh, it was not. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Yes or no? Yes.
Let's go.
I did my best. They're a very interesting culture, and yeah, of course, look too. Russian girls and Korean men, in their mind, they think it's not possible, so they're sad.
No, I know a lot of girls who with Korean guys.
In Russia,
Russian
yeah,
girls,
I seen that. I
yes.
seen it too.
I think you guys have cool culture, and so you guys have really good personality. How you
So, does Russian girls have higher standard too?
I should have same vibe, like to have some jokes. It's important. Beauty
Race.
or something like that. No,
It's not based on.
that's true. And our men are not beautiful at all. Only girls. Like our men, looks so good. People, how your attention is really important. It's cool. You have it's just in your culture, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Respect.
Respect?
Yes, you're really respectful, guys, to everyone. It's important.
Yeah, we try to be.
No, you not try to be. You're really respectful, guys.
Oh, thank you.
So
Was I respectful for today?
it's- You always laugh about it. No, it was respect. Be a man, real man. I will feel just happy life, just a girl. Feel he can be a millionaire, but I will feel myself not that good with him. Like I will not have his attention. Like I like your culture. Like I can feel it just in every moment. Like fun, respectful, generous, pay for everything. Yeah.